Hello everyone. Today we have chain rule problem number 4. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, MBA, MCA, railway exam, UPSC, SSC, bank PO, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems with ease. So let's start. If 12 men or 18 women can do a work in 14 days, then in how many days will 8 men and 16 women do the same work? So, for this, let the required number of days equal to x. Now here 12 men equal to 18 women. This implies 1 man equal to 18 upon 12 women, and this implies 8 men this MAN 8 men equal to 18 upon 12 into 8 women. This is equal to 12 women. It means 8 men can work 8 men 12 women के बराबर काम कर सकते हैं. Now we want to find in how many days will 8 men and 16 women do the same work. So it means 8 men plus 16 women equal to 8 men we can write like that, 12 women in place of 8 men plus 16 women. This is equal to 28 women. Okay. Now next, more women, less days. It means it is indirect proportion. Therefore 28 is to 18 means here 28 women and in first place 18. So 28 is to 18 proportion 14 is to x. So this implies 28 into x equal to 18 into 14. This implies x equal to 18 into 14 upon 28, and this cancel out, 14 2s are 28 and this cancel out 9. This implies x equal to 9. So hence required number of days, this is equal to 9. So 9 days is our answer. I hope you liked today's video. For more such type of videos, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.